I went out at 5:28 knowing it was going to rain, and it came down Kingston. It was a disaster. I'm soaked. Bike's clean now. The Pirellis, they did their job and great. I did 70 on the throughway, downpour, no problem. You gotta have some kind of fender though, because my butt is soaked and there's just no coverage there. So I'll have to figure out a way to put a fender on the swing arm and maybe make something in a full fender for the front if I'm gonna ride in the rain. But overall, bike ran great. I'm just stopping again. I've got 1,589 miles, and it is I can't get the clock up, but I put in another 1.079 gallons at 496. So I'll have a pretty good idea on what the mileage is, and I'll post it.